Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can upload the documents for customer. So just have a look. So from here I have done some setting on master setup. Just go to the setting option. So here you can see I have added show customer bank account details in all party list. So I will just set this value yes. I have done this setting. Now I will search one customer from the search bar. So here I have created one customer. Now let's upload the documents for this customer. So here I will select, let's say, bank account. So you can select current account or saving account. So after that I will write down the bank account number. So after that customer phone number and IFSC code of bank, let's say BA. For example, let's say this is Bank of Baroda. So I can write, let's say, Bank of Baroda, and here the bank branch I can write, let's say, Deccan, and from here I will just upload add without file, and we can browse from here also. So I will just click on upload all files. So this file has been uploaded. Now let's search this customer from the search bar. So here you can see one document we have uploaded. Let's click on this document, and if you go, you can see here this document we can verify saving account, Bank of Baroda, Deccan branch and IFSC code. So from here we can verify this, and you can see here add beneficiary. So we can add beneficiary from here. So after that, or adding all these details, we can go and check in status report all party list details. So here I will just refresh, and from here we can go and check the bank all details from here. So for example, let's say this is bank account type saving account, bank account number, bank name, branch, bank branch, that is Koregapa, Deccan, IFSC code, then bank account name, account holder name, bank account verified, yes or no, and beneficiary added, yes or no. So all these details we can see from here to the for the customer. So this type we can see the bank details, and we can upload documents from the Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.